Hello everyone, welcome back to another LEGOxuan video. Today we're filming in another room, so it may sound a bit different. Hopefully it's still alright, but today we're back with another how to build episode. Second episode already, I know, and more content I'm trying to upload, so that will be good. Today we are showing off probably the easiest custom to build ever, basically. It's so basic. Get it? It's a good joke. Basic. So this was suggested by Diggy Piggy in the comments of the How to Build Red Guardian video. Go check that out if you want to know how to build him. But he suggested Evil Nun, and, well, this character that I'm now about to show you how to build. So here we have my custom Baldi from the game Baldi's Basics. Now, let's start off with the headpiece. Now, I cannot seem to find where this headpiece originates from, but it seems like a pretty common default kind of smiling guy face, so I'm sure you have a smiling guy's face in a collection. Now, if you don't have this smiling guy's face, you can also use the Series 3 baseball player's face, but this may be harder to find, so if you don't have him, these are two other ones that I recommend using. Now, I know this LEGO Ninjago Zane head is angry, but Baldi does get angry in the game, so this could be an alternate head for him. You can also use the really old sort of default smiling face, but I don't think that works as well. However, it is still creepy. So that is the headpieces that can be used, or, well, this is the one I use. So let's move on to the ruler. Now, this is just a 1x4 smooth sand-coloured tile. You can find this in pretty much loads of sets, so I'm sure you have something like this in your collection. If not, you can use some sort of brown or a different colour one, but it still works for a ruler. Maybe you might even have some sort of custom piece that is a ruler, but I'm pretty sure there is no LEGO rulers, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So, let's move on to the torso piece. Now, here you can see that it is just plain green. Now, Baldi in the game has a much lighter green than this sort of dark coloured version, but as you can see, there's no back printing or front printing. Now, I've seen a lot of Purist custom minifig creators use, torsos, and you just see behind that the front printing's that way. They've just flipped around the arms, but I don't like to flip around my customs and see that there is printing on there, which isn't necessary. So this is where I got the torso from. It is the Series 17 corn dressed up guy. Here's his legs. So that is where the torso originates from. Now, I'm pretty sure you can find a lot more plain green torsos, but the only ones that I had that were completely no printing on were the Series 17 corn guys, so that's where I got the torso from. Let's end off with the most boring part of the minifigure, the legs. It is literally just a pair of blue legs. Wow, how exciting is that? I'm sure you can find these anywhere in your minifigures. There have been loads in the past. This isn't from anyone particular. I think it's just from some random set that I got a while ago, but that's where I got the blue legs from. So, that's going to end off the second episode of How to Build. Thank you for your suggestion, Diggy Piggy, on how to build Baldi. Hope you can try and make your own one, so let me know if you manage to build one of these. Let me know any suggestions in the comments for what I should build next, and I will see you guys in the next LEGOxuan episode. Goodbye.